Unless you're gonna get in front of the truck, you can't go nowhere else. Now you're gonna be stuck there waiting. Look at this other one.
That's why traffic backs up.
Yeah.
Unless you're gonna get in front of the truck, you can't go nowhere else. Now you're gonna be stuck there waiting. Look at this other one.
That's why traffic backs up.
Yeah.
Watch another knucklehead get in.
Yeah, the third one.
I'm telling you. Like, where you going?
Like,
What
you're
an
letting him
ass.
go in front of you. What is he trying to do?
Oh, he wants to tell this guy something. That's what it was.
Wow, he's sticking him middle finger.
Yeah.
Why?
But he did a zipper merge. He was fine.
Yeah, that was totally fine.
Yeah, but it's those two.
Over one car.
Yeah, he did a zipper merge.
Like,
The guy in front went in front of him, and so he did a zipper merge. It was his turn to
Yeah.
go in.
that
Now,
was-
if I didn't let him go in, he could curse me out if he wants to.
Yeah,
Even though I do have the right of way.
yeah.
But out of courtesy,
He has,
he did.
no, he has a wheelchair plaque, so he must be retarded or something.
He went through all that. Imagine would hit the thing.
I know.
All that, give him the finger.
I know. And it's like over one car. Like, what, you would have been one car ahead in all this traffic?
Okay, Presto. I'll save the clip.
What does that matter if you're one car ahead or one car behind when you're in bumper to bumper
Traffic.
traffic?
Man, whatever.
Like, you're not going to get anywhere faster. You know what I mean?
He literally stuck out his finger. He
wanted to get
He
his
wanted
attention.
to really squeeze in to tell him something and then stick out his finger.
He wanted to deliver a message. But it was a zipper merge.